G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is the Wurth 3/8.5 inch drive extendable ratchets. Now let's have a look at them. So I've got the 3/8 here. So they're extendable, so we push this collar forward and we can extend the ratchet out. Of course that gives us more leverage so we can tighten or untighten things a lot easier. Now we don't have to extend it all the way because sometimes we don't have enough room, so we can extend it into sections, however long we want to have it. It also has this button on top which allows us to pivot the angle of the actual ratchet. So sometimes it's hard to get in where you need to get, so we can put it on the angle and still use it. Of course there's a forward and reverse, or left and right hand, and when you put the socket on it will lock. There's a button here which unlocks the socket. Now that can be handy because there's nothing more frustrating than getting in a position and the socket fall off the ratchet. This way it's secured. So now let's go over and have a look how it works. So I've brought this car into the workshop and I've got my 1/2 inch extendable ratchet. Now I've got a bolt here that's down low, but it also has a hose above it, so I can't put an extension on my ratchet to get to the bolt. So being able to adjust the head is fantastic. And of course I can adjust the length to give me more power. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, I can now undo this bolt and I've got clearance here and underneath the hose. If I was to use a normal ratchet, which is at 90 degrees, you can see that I've got difficulty getting onto it because of all this here. And I wouldn't be able to put an extension on because this hose is in the way. So let's recap some of the features and have a look at the technical stuff. Firstly, the ratchets are made of high quality steel. When you fit a socket, you must push the button to get the socket on, and that locks the socket on. And then to remove it, you push the button again. Now, the teeth in here, it has 72 teeth, which means it's very fine. So in those tight, hard to reach places where you don't have a lot of access, you can still get bite and turn it. Now they have a 2-component plastic handle which is extremely comfortable and it gives you the grip you need. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and at Wurth, we're ready for work.